Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, how are my snipers doing today? Hope you're doing fantastic. Listen, Raydium has been looking absolutely beautiful. Okay, guys, I pretty much said that, once Raydium kind of gets above this zone, that it is gonna fly high. And the reason why I said this is because that was the last support and resistance that was relevant, right? We can see that was pretty much the last resistance. Once we kind of went above it, there's nothing really stopping it, right? The things you see on the left, these two candles, are called imbalance. Imbalance is when pretty much there's not much support or resistance. So price can usually mirror the action that happens. So what does that mean? What am I talking about is pretty much when price dumps very quickly. That means on the opposite side, when it's time to be around the same price range of, you see, $3.55 to roughly, let's say, $10.50, that is when price is going to pump very, very quick. Okay, so that is the beautiful thing about imbalance, right? But it does have its con when we're talking about the flip side, right? Because you saw, boom, here in August 2021, Raydium pumped a lot. Then it went sideways for a couple months, and then within 2 months, it died out. And that's the thing with imbalance, right? But I had to tell you this because if you're a Raydium holder or you're looking to be buying Raydium, your time is always going to be fairly limited because Raydium is going to be increasing its price pretty quick, and before you know it, it could sneak up to a very high price, right? But before it does that, I believe Raydium will retrace to either two places. One will be roughly around this green box, $4.75 average, or we could have a deeper retracement to $4.35. Now, the reason why I give you these two areas because they are both very, very likely. Now, it depends how you view the market, right? If I view the market a certain way, then I would just be looking to buy it here. If I view the market a certain way, then I would be looking to buy it here. Now, if you know what I'm talking about, it's just this is more relevant for leverage trading, right? Overall, if you get in anywhere between 430 and 475, you're getting a great deal anyways, right? That's why I give you just general prices where there's lots of support and resistance, and sometimes I give you specific types of candles, right? Now, if I was, like I said, leverage trading, I have to look at that in the moment, right? In the moment to see how price is reacting, to see if I want to take a trade, right? Because you need to have a stop loss. It's not the same as just buying the crypto and holding. So that is that. Where do I think Raydium is going to go? Well, ladies and gentlemen, I still believe Raydium is going to go anywhere between $80 to $120. Now, when we talk about market cap, that is not that high, right? That is not that high. And this is one of those things that this coin is pretty much kind of like a utility coin. It has to do with the meme coins. People swap coins. There's much more to it. But these types of coins always kind of perform fairly well. They always get into the multiple billions of market cap. And I believe Raydium will be no different. So for me, once again, that $80 to $120 range is the sweet zone. And I'll be updating you guys in the private Discord and on YouTube.